Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there is no open network, you can just skip this step for now. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can turn off. Tap accept. Then you can set up PIN or any other lock screen method, but you can also just do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.